Freestyle Edge is the ultimate split gaming keyboard. Position the two key modules for total control of your setup, no matter what game you're playing. There is no wrong way to set up the Edge. You can custom program the Edge using the no-install SmartSet App. The SmartSet App complements the onboard programming shortcuts and provides a simple-to-use graphical interface for customizing your Freestyle Edge programmable keyboard. Unlike other programming software, the SmartSet app is installed on the keyboard and not on your computer. To access the app, use the onboard shortcut to open the keyboard's virtual drive, or V drive. Locate the V drive and launch the app. The SmartSet app automatically loads the active layout for editing. To load one of the other 9 layouts, click the Load button. Each layout has 2 layers, which can be programmed independently for both remaps and macros. To begin customizing the layout, select the key you wish to reprogram by clicking on the keyboard image. To remap this key, simply press the desired key action on your keyboard, or click the Special Actions button for a menu of multimedia actions, mouse actions, and much more. Remapped keys appear in blue, and the number of stored remaps is displayed here. To program a macro, simply select any non-modifier key to activate the macro box. Click the text box and begin typing your macro. The app records every single keystroke, so if you make a mistake, use the backspace or clear buttons. Use the slider to set an individual playback speed ranging from 4 actions per second up to a blazing fast 250 actions per second. Use the multiplay slider to program the macro to play back repeatedly while held, or to play back a specific number of times. When you finish programming, click Done to store the macro. Macro trigger keys are indicated with a blue outline, and the number of stored macros is displayed here. Up to 3 macros can be assigned to the same key by selecting a unique modifier co-trigger. The Macro Special Actions menu features various pre-written macros, mouse double clicks, and much more. You can also adjust the global keyboard settings and backlighting from the app. When you finish customizing, click the Save or Save As buttons. For additional programming tips, click the Help icon and open the SmartSet manual. To implement your changes, close the app, and then use the onboard shortcut to close the V drive. If you want to preview your changes while leaving the V drive open, use the Refresh shortcut. To learn more, visit kinesisgaming.com.